Is bedtime. Let's go.
Tay, get off my couch. Get off my couch!
Give them my asses.
Now we're at the door, and I'm ready to be home, because I'm tired. And like I said, this is all natural from my hot pot.
This is bullshit.
What is it?
This is bullshit.
Hey, brother.
哦呦，我干你们！直接跳进来什么？
I got him a nice fucking chew stick, and he's fucking jawing over my shit. What the fuck? Eat that!